Hi everyone! Welcome to Bahay Aralan. For this video, we will be talking about homonyms. Now, what are homonyms? Homonyms are words with the same sound but with different spellings and meanings. For example, ice, ice. As you can see, if you read them, they have the same sound, but they have different spellings and meanings. The first word means frozen water. Let us use it in a sentence. Jim added some ice to his juice. While the second word means the body parts used for seeing. For example, I closed my eyes and tried to relax. Another example, hair, hair. The first homonym is the fine thread-like strands growing from the skin of humans and some animals. For example, she is brushing her long black hair. While the second homonym is a rabbit-like animal with long ears, long hind legs, and a short tail. For example, like rabbits, hares are plant eaters. Another pair of homonyms, pair, pair. The first pair means a set of two things. For example, I bought this pair of shoes from a thrift store. Next is the second pair. It is a sweet fruit that has a round base and is slightly pointed toward the stem. For example, she handed her child a juicy slice of pear. Next, pail, pail. The first homonym means a bucket. For example, he is carrying a pail filled with sand. While the second pail means light in color or shade. Like she is wearing a pale blue hat. Next pair, flower, flower. The first homonym is the blossom of a plant or the colored part of a plant from which the seed or fruit develops. For example, this brightly colored flower attracts butterflies. While the second homonym means powder obtained by grinding grain. Like thicken the sauce with a little flour. Next, fair, fair. The first word is an event where people or companies bring their products for you to see or buy. For example, in a book fair, books are usually sold at lower prices. The second fair means the money a passenger has to pay. Like I paid the taxi driver the exact fare. Another, waste, waste. Waste is a scrap or unwanted material. Like the city produced 10 million tons of household waste last year. Next is the second waist. It means the part of the body between the ribs and the hips. Like he put his arm around her waist. Is it clear? Other pairs of homonyms are plain, plain, weak, weak, piece, piece, break, break, eight, eight, sight, sight, heel, heel, air, air, meat, meat, road, road, foul, foul, feet, feet, fur, fur, male, male, maid, maid, tail, tail, and way, way. Now let us see if you can choose the correct homonym to complete each sentence. Despite the vehicle's size and blank, it is not difficult to drive. Wait or wait? The answer is the second word. Weight means the amount or quantity of heaviness. What about the first word? It means stay where you are. Another one. I blanked the dust off the table. Blue or blue? It is the first one. It's the past tense of blow, which means send out a stream of air from your mouth. How about the second one? It is a color like that of a clear sky. Next. My blank friend arranged this whole vacation for me. Dear, dear. The answer is the first homonym. It means loved or liked very much. What about the second one? It is a hoofed animal that eats grass and leaves. Okay? Next. Armed robbers broke into the store through a blank in the wall. Hole or hole? The correct homonym is the second one. An opening into or through a thing. What about the first one? It means all of something or the full amount. Another one. He allowed his best friend to blank at his new painting. Peek, peek. It is the first one, to look or glance quickly, while the second one means the highest point of something. How about this? After an awkward blank, someone finally asked a question. Pause, pause. The answer is the second homonym. It means a brief or temporary stop. What about the first one? It means the feet of an animal having claws. Next. The blank of the flowers was very strong and it made me sneeze. The answer is the first homonym. It means the smell of something. What about the second homonym? It is the past tense of send. Last one. The eagle is circling above to look for blank. Pray, pray. The answer is the first homonym. It means an animal hunted or killed by another animal for food. While the second one means to speak to God in order to praise, glorify, thank, and ask for something. Alright, is everything clear? That said, that would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.